Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Alright, did you catch your breath? Alright, today's video is something a little unique. Again, it's another one of these unboxings, but it's from my favorite company, Wyze, and it's going to help you breathe better. We're talking about this right here, guys. This is their air purifier. So, I'm not an expert on these things, but I will say these can get quite expensive. And if you get a chance, go to YouTube. I'll try to leave a link in the description below to their official channel on YouTube, and they have a video kind of explains, again, maybe it's biased because they want to sell a product, but kind of explains the difference between budget and expensive and luxury. So what is this? This is a Wyze Smart Air Purifier, so it does link with their app. On the side here, it comes with a filter and a quick start guide. There are 3 different kinds of filters that you can get. I think it's currently sold out, but this is currently the Wyze Smart Air Purifier with allergen filter, which is the cheapest of the 3. There's a formaldehyde filter, and then there's a fire filter. So this one is your general all-purpose home. The formaldehyde is exactly the same, except for they add a little additional protection for certain volts and certain other smells and odors. And then the fire one is more for smoke. I would assume, don't quote me, and this is meant for people in areas where there's a lot of maybe forest fires or camping going on. I don't know for sure, don't quote me on that. But it says here, take a breath of fresh air. Now, they go into some details on this, but the basics are it's whisper quiet. It's got AQI allergen alerts, laser particle detection, real-time LED display, in-app automation, and filter subscription available. Now, I'm not sure if this is available yet, but what I've understood so far is that once you set this up, you can get it so when the filter is getting close to being done or being replaced, it'll automatically ship it out at a like a 10, 15, 20% discount. I'm not sure what that is exactly, but it says here there's 3 options of filters. Allergen, like I talked about, which is your standard, formaldehyde, which is your premium, and your wildfire, which is your special use. They all have true HEPA and granulated carbon, and they have customized cleaning across a wide range of pollutants from dander and pollen to bacteria and viruses to wildfire smoke and formaldehyde. It's got a 350 CADR, which is a measurement of how much it can clean per so much time. Basically that equals to about a 500 square foot room over 3 times every hour, so 1,500 square feet an hour roughly. It's whisper quiet, 21 decibels, and it's got laser particle detection. This is a high speed, high precision laser particle sensor, measures air quality down to 0.3 microns 100 times a second, and adjusts automatically. Simple remote app control plus automated smart response to in-depth indoor and outdoor air quality tracking. And it's got hyper local weather data measured in 5-meter increments and delivered in real time through a clean, simple app interface. Customized alerts about the air you breathe based on your personal needs. And then in the box, you get whichever filter you order, a air purifier, a quick start guide, and quick guide for first use. Now, I've never used it before, so we're going to open this up right here and we're going to see what it's all about. So this came like this. As you can see, I got my tracking label right here. Didn't really have an extra box, but with this big of a box, it makes sense. Okay, so in typical fashion, I got my eye-backed Wyze Air Purifier, your quick start guide, which I'm telling you right now, a lot of these products for me, I know I'm kind of a tech nerd, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I still have had to refer back to these once in a while, especially with an air purifier I've never used before and what I can do with it through the app and the screen. So put that off to the side. You got your environmentally friendly styrofoam, not really. And then you have the humidifier. So I'm going to take a quick break, pull this out, and we'll go from there. All right, so I just pulled it out, nothing in the box. Throw it off to the side. And we got our air purifier. So I'm going to like maybe zoom in a little bit here so you guys can kind of see a little bit more because it's not really that big. Pull it down here. Okay. And right on top, this is your quick guide. So it says, before first use, open the filter cover and remove the plastic packaging surrounding the filter. So the filter's already installed. It says to download the app, which I already have. Then you have on-off button, auto mode, fan speed, and sleep. Those are your button controls. And then on the screen, it has a timer, Wi-Fi status, child lock. When this light is on, child lock mode is enabled. Fan and mid. Sorry, I can't talk today. Minimum, mid, max, and turbo. It's got the AQI ring, which means green is your air quality is good, yellow is air quality is moderate, and red is air quality is unhealthy, so that'll change color. And then a filter replacement indicator, which I'm assuming will also be alerted in the app. So we're gonna open this up. As you can see at the top, there's some grates here. It looks like this is the top, so this is maybe either where the air comes out. So it says take a breath of fresh air. Let me see if I can kind of get that up there for you guys. Pull this out. Got a power cord in there. So as you can see, you guys can see that right there. Take a breath of fresh air. There's your buttons on top. On the side, it's pretty blank. Nothing. On the back, you can probably see your filter through there, and there's a handle in there. It says laser particle sensor, so it looks like probably right here. On the other side, blank. Bottom is where the filter is, and it sounds like it's pretty simple to do. So there's a this way unlocks, this way locks. So if you twist it, it clicks, pull it open. Now it says take the filter out. Remove the plastic, if I know how to do that. And then stick it back inside. Line these up. And now it's locked and it's ready to go. This is the front of the unit, and you can see the screen right here, and you can see the filter. So the air will rush through here and blow out the top. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to attempt to plug it in real quick, just so you guys can see the screen, and that'll be it. So give me 1 second here. All right, guys. So I got it connected to the app. As you can see, there's a little gear spinning here. It's doing some firmware updates initially, which is not a bad thing. But as you can see, the screen is lit up. This is your AQI, so green means air quality is good. So right now my air quality is good, and my fan speed is at minimum. So it's actually on right now. I can feel some air coming out. There's a little Wi-Fi. So basically you turn it on, and upon turning it on, the Wi-Fi symbol should flash, letting you know it's ready to pair. Mine wasn't, so all I had to do was hold auto and fan on the top together at the same time for 3 seconds. It started blinking. Open the app, hit add, home, air purifier, found my Wi-Fi, gave it the Wi-Fi password, and now it's connected. Upon connecting, it did give me some options, but it jumped right into firmware, and I'm in true Wyze fashion. I'm going to do the immediate update, firmware update, and see how it goes from there. But that's a quick unboxing and first look at the Wyze Smart Air Purifier. With the world the way it is now, and crap we have going on, I'm not saying this is a solution for COVID or flu or that stuff, but if it helps the quality of your life, helps the quality of your breathing, I suggest you get one. If you'd like to see more about this, maybe a follow-up review or a little more information on how the app works, leave me a message below in the comments, and we'll catch you next time.